If you've lost access to your X.com or Twitter account, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to start the recovery process. Whether you forgot your password, can't log in, or your account was compromised, this method will help you get to the right support page and begin the account recovery steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and search for the Regain Access page for X.com or Twitter. This is the official recovery starting point, and it's where you will begin the process of getting your account back. Once the page loads, you'll see a form or support flow asking what kind of issue you're having. Take a moment to read the options carefully, then choose the one that best describes your situation from the drop-down menu. For example, you might be dealing with a login problem, account access issue, or another recovery-related concern. After selecting the correct issue, continue following the on-screen prompts step by step. The page will guide you through the next actions based on the problem you selected, so make sure you answer each prompt accurately and don't rush through it. When everything is filled out, click Submit to send your recovery request. At that point, X or Twitter will review the information and guide you on the next steps for restoring access to your account. If you don't see results right away, keep checking the email address linked to your account for any recovery messages or verification instructions, and that's it. You've now started the process to recover your X.com or Twitter account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.